hello guys, I'm here in Til with these two kabayans and our friend from Nepal. So they will introduce their store guys to us. So
hello, good evening. I'm Cherry. I'm working here at Til Sharkia Tower. Come and visit us here at time 3 in the afternoon until 11:30. And you can try our famous Matilda cake. This is our #1 cake here. And then we have Til cake.
how much that?
This one is 2 dinar 700. 2 dinar 750. Excuse me. And this one Matilda is 3 dinar 950.
Okay.
And the other one is, sorry.
So they have also.
We have 3 kinds of
guys.
cake.
Yes.
And this one, another one is lotus cake. It's
Lotus
2 dinar
cake.
950.
Okay, and
We have
drinks.
also drinks. Drink. This is the only drink here, but we have also in the menu board.
Okay.
We have salted caramel, Spanish latte, hot americano, and many more here in the board. And we have also cookies.
Cookies, yes, 950 pills of cookies.
Yeah.
So,
Here.
this is your menu on board also.
Yes.
Okay.
You can try visit us here.
Okay, so who is the owner of this shop?
I don't also know him as Abu Hamad, Sir Abu Hamad. Yeah.
Not this Martin Luther King Jr.?
No, it's not. It's the one
it's
who
a
made
same. It's a
the
same.
coats.
Yes, okay.
That's it.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you guys.
visit here in Til.
Yeah. Once again, visit us here in Til, Sharkia Tower, beside Aloha and DH Cafe. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Maya. I'm from Nepal.
Nepal.
Yes. We have coffee also like cappuccino, coffee latte, Spanish latte, cold, hot, americano, caramel coffee, and like express also, and V60. And then we have americano, cold, hot. So,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Yun, photographer. So yun guys, ito yung in-order namin dito guys. Burger. Yung isa ay 1 KD 250, 450. Yan. At meron din kaming photographer dito guys. Yan. Oh, picture si ate. Yan. Picture si ate. Thank you ate. Ano po yan ate?
Chicken strips.
Chicken strips. Sambuanga. Dito kami sa Aloha guys. Punta lang kayo dito sa Binaid Algar, Aloha. Yan. Daming restaurant dito guys. Masarap boss? Masarap? Okay ba? Yan. Tatlong chicken burger at isang chicken strips. Yan. 250. So, anong laman ng burger natin dito?
Masarap.
Cheese, chicken, may gravy, french fries. Yan. Yan. So, enjoy. Maganda yung background namin guys. Yung mga paligid namin. May mga heater.
May kape pa yan doon.
Heater to siya guys.
Yeah, vlog mo na dyan.
Kaya daming bossing oh. Shout out. Thank you Ed.
Wow.
Nice.
Abdul.
Punta lang kayo dito guys sa Aloha. Aloha at saka sa Til. Til, yes.
Thank you, son, ha?
Aloha, Til and Aloha. Shout out. Jerson ba?
Jerson.
Jerson. Yan, Sambuanga boys natin yun guys.
Sambuanga
Sambuanga boys. So shout out.
Enjoy lang, enjoy.
Enjoy lang. Punta kayo dito guys, mga kabayan natin.
Latte.
Thank you. So dyan siya nagtatrabaho guys.
Okay lang yun. Para bukas hindi ka diretso-diretso na yung ano mo.
So, ano to siya?
Cookies.
Cookies. Okay.
Cookies.
Cookies. So meron na din kaming heater guys. Social talaga namin guys. Meron kaming heater. Saan pa kayo guys? Punta kayo dito. May heater na kayo. Hindi kayo lalamigin. Thank you boss. Enjoy lang boss. Thank you. Malapit yung heater natin guys. Kung gusto mo tong painitin guys, pwede nyo tong painitin kapag malamig na yung burger ninyo. Yeah.
Dalawa lang.
Ito naman guys, maraming salamin. Ayan. Kung wala kang salamin sa bag mo guys, pwede ka manalamin dito. Dito pa lang, you looks good na. Yes, you look good. Actually guys, their food is very delicious and tasty. The chicken strips and the burgers, good. So visit here in Til, and the other side is also Aloha. So two shops, just side of this store. So thank you guys.
Visit our restaurant and
Yes, that's all. Visit their restaurant guys. Here
also
in
it's a coffee shop
here in Binid Algar. This is Binid Algar.
and the shop.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Okay. So guys, okay yung kuha nila dito guys. Meron silang mga maganda yung mga kuha nila dito guys. Mga wall design nila dito guys. Oh guys, salamat sa
Langan naman yun, enjoy lang, enjoy.
Salamat sa sponsor natin guys. Shoutout taga San Roque din.
Roque, Zamboanga.
Gerson, Zamboanga.
Gala ka lang kayo dito. Dito yung restaurant namin.
Yes.
Gusto nyo ng burger, kape? Yan lang kayo, ikot lang kayo.
Aloha.
Thank you.
Shoutout sa pamilya.
Shoutout pala sa nanay ko dyan sa Roque. Pamilya ko dyan. Ingat kayo lagi. Thank you.
Okay guys. Abangan nyo na lang guys mga next natin mga video. Thank you.